Using SEMrush for PPC keyword research is an effective way to optimize your pay-per-click campaigns and improve your online visibility. To get started, first create an account on SEMrush and navigate to the Keyword Magic tool. This tool provides a vast database of keywords that you can use for your research. Begin by typing in a seed keyword related to your business or niche and select the database of the country you are targeting. SEMrush will then provide you with a list of relevant keywords along with their search volume, competition, and cost per click. Filter the results to find the most relevant and profitable keywords for your campaign. You can filter by search volume, competition, cost per click, and keyword intent. It is essential to choose keywords with high search volume and low competition to maximize your return on investment. Next, analyze the keyword trends and SERP analysis to identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outrank your competitors. The SERP analysis provides insights into the top ranking pages for a specific keyword, including their backlinks, content length, and technical SEO. Identify long-tail keywords that have lower competition and higher conversion rates. Long-tail keywords are more specific phrases that have lower search volumes but are more targeted to your business. They can help you to attract high-quality traffic to your website and improve your conversion rates. Finally, create a list of target keywords and use them to optimize your PPC campaigns. Use the keywords in your ad copy, landing page, and target URLs to improve the relevance and quality score of your ads. Monitor your campaign performance regularly and adjust your keyword strategy accordingly. By following these steps and using SEMrush for PPC keyword research, you can create effective and profitable pay-per-click campaigns that drive high-quality traffic to your website and improve your online visibility. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in keyword research to stay ahead of the competition.